Humans have inhabited this planet for around 200,000 years. During this time, there have been multiple revolutions which have significantly changed human lifestyles and have shaped what our world looks like today. Both the industrial and the information technology revolutions were important in the development of our world and were only made possible because of maths. Let's begin with the Industrial Revolution. This was the period of time from 1760 to 1840 when the manufacturing process was redefined. During this time, infrastructure rapidly developed and there was improved efficiency in steam and water power. One of the significant inventions was the steam engine, as it led the way for new energy sources. For a steam engine to function, maths is required to design, measure, and engineer all of the parts. Mathematicians were then required to calculate how much water would be needed to produce enough steam to shift the piston. This worked because of the equation of force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. In relation to the steam engine, the mass able to be moved was calculated by dividing the force created by the water to steam conversion by the acceleration of its movement. Overall, every step in building the steam engine required mathematical equations and therefore would not have been possible without the existence of maths. This was just the beginning, and all throughout the whole of the Industrial Revolution, thousands of new ideas were born that required the invention of new technologies and the use of more challenging maths. Fast forward 100 years, and the information technology revolution began. Using the technology created in the Industrial Revolution, the world was now able to advance and create bigger and greater things. The first computer was invented in 1946, and there's no way this could have been possible without maths. Binary code, collectively made up of zeros and ones, was used to create the software on which these computers functioned. Technology reshaped our civilization and completely changed our lifestyles. This revolution has changed the way everyone performs simple daily tasks, as well as improved the efficiency and reliability of many complicated processes. Although it has brought many benefits, we have also been faced with many new problems. The demand for new jobs and skills has increased dramatically, but old activities have disappeared and lost importance in the new marketplace. Overall, maths has helped to invent new technologies which have improved the way society functions. Without maths, our society would not be where it is today. Now let's take a look at the future. The sustainability revolution is just on the horizon, as humanity is beginning to notice the impacts it is having on the natural environment. Climate change threatens to wipe out life on Earth, and only humans have the power to stop it. Although we are the cause behind it, we also have the resources and the knowledge to change our ways. This is where maths comes in. Maths, and the technology it has allowed us to create, will be used to redesign cities, clean up our oceans, find innovative alternatives to landfill, and reduce humanity's overall impact. Agriculture and farming have one of the largest impacts on the planet, and during the sustainability revolution, it is expected that maths will redefine these processes. New and more efficient technologies will be required, as well as improved strategies for land usage. The sustainability revolution will bring about new jobs and careers, change the practices of farming, and will bring humanity to a whole new level of thinking. Only by looking through new perspectives and using maths to implement new ideas can the Earth recover from the deadly impacts of the human species. Maths can be found everywhere in our daily life. The screen you are seeing this on, the chair you're sitting on, or the floor you're standing on, the food you eat and the water you drink were all made possible because of maths. We can only guess how much maths will be involved in the future, but we know it is essential to the survival of our planet, and we have seen how much of an impact it has had in our past. Maths makes everything possible.